everyone, welcome back to GoHighLevel 360. In this video, we are going to look at how we can connect our payment gateway inside the GoHighLevel account. So let's go ahead and get started. When you're logged into your GoHighLevel account, you're going to want to go into the Payments tab of your account. And then from here, you're going to go to the very top all the way to the right-hand side where it says Integrations. Go ahead and click there. And it's going to pull up all the different payment integration options for you. So you have Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, NIMI, manual payment methods, Square, and then if you click on search for more, it's going to add additional payment gateway options for you. So what you want to do here is when you find the one that you want to connect, so if you're using PayPal, you're just going to want to go over and hit the connect icon here. And then what it's going to have you do is it's going to have you log into your PayPal account, go ahead and get your client ID and paste it in. And then you're also going to want to have your secret ID and then paste it in here as well. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and hit save, and it should connect to your PayPal account. Now, if you have any questions on how to find these API keys, you can always click on this little message right below PayPal. It says how to find PayPal API keys. This will take you to a ClickUp document, so like a high-level how-to article, and it should have a video in here showing you how to find them. So just go ahead and watch this video and it'll walk you through step by step where to find your PayPal client ID and secret ID so you can connect your PayPal account. Okay, and it's the same for any of these other platforms. So if you were to use Authorize.net, you click connect. It's going to ask for a login ID, transaction key, and signature key. If you're unsure of how to find these, go ahead and click on the how to find API keys right under Authorize.net, and it's going to take you to a different article within ClickUp. You can read through and it'll direct you on how you can find those API keys. Okay, now connecting Stripe. For those of you that will be using Stripe, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit easier. You simply go ahead and click on Connect. Click on Connect with Stripe. And then it's going to take you to your Stripe account. If you're already logged into Stripe on this browser, it'll take you directly into Stripe and have you choose what account you would like to connect. So go ahead and select your Stripe account. Click on Connect. Alright, it might take a few minutes to load or a few seconds to load, but once it's loaded, it'll take you back into HighLevel. You'll get the green check mark letting you know that Stripe Live mode is enabled and Stripe Test mode is enabled. So this would be if you're inside funnels. You can go ahead and test your payments before they go live. But yeah, your Stripe is now connected. And if you go ahead and click on any of these others and follow the instructions on how to connect them, should be fairly straightforward and simple, and that is how you connect your payment gateway so you can start selling products with GoHighLevel. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you have any comments, questions about GoHighLevel, go ahead and comment those down below. And if you like this video and you want to see more GoHighLevel how-tos, tutorials, and content like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.